Hi there, it's Hillary. Welcome back to the Creative Faith YouTube channel. Today I have a bullet journal video for you guys, and it is bullet journal ideas for business owners. Now, I own and run Creative Faith & Co. I have an Etsy shop where I have physical items as well as digital items. I have a Creative Faith design team that I give product to, and they create different videos and posts for me, and I also have this YouTube channel. So there's a bunch of different aspects of my business. I started Creative Faith in November of 2016, and it has been quite a wild ride. I do not have a background in business, but I have loved learning about marketing and designing and creating and launching products, and so it has been just so much fun to run and own a business and ministry, because I truly believe Creative Faith is also a ministry and an opportunity that I get to share my love of the Lord with the world, as well as equipping people with tools to help them grow in their faith. So I have 6 different bullet journal ideas for business owners. So some of these might work for your business and some of them might not, but I hope it gives you ideas on how to use your bullet journal to assist you in running your business. So I have 3 bullet journals that I'm going to be showing you guys different ideas from. This black one is a Leuchtturm 1917 that I used in 2019. I do have a full flip through of this on my YouTube channel that I will link in the description box below, as well as linking this journal on Amazon. Then from January through June 2020, I used this Clever Fox dot grid journal. I have a flip through of this because I am now done with it almost. And there's a few trackers I still use in here, but for the most part I don't use this one anymore. And I will link this journal on Amazon. It has amazing paper quality, but not a ton of pages. So I'll link that flip through as well as this on Amazon. And then currently I'm using this Webster's Pages dot grid journal, and I will link this on Amazon. I have a setup video for this dot grid journal that I'll link down below too. So I've used all 3 of these in different ways for Creative Faith. So the first idea is idea number 1, an expense tracker. So I, in the beginning of 2019, used my bullet journal and wrote out expenses. So this is a sample of my tracker, my spending log for January of 2019. And I wrote out date, place, item, and cost. And so this has personal expenses and Creative Faith expenses. But what you could do is use a highlighter and highlight Creative Faith, highlight your business ones, and leave your personal ones blank. So this was a spending log that I made, and it's really important to track your expenses as a business owner so you know how much profit you're making, as well as for tax write-off purposes. So that is idea number 1, is a spending log and expense tracker. All right, idea number 2 is a social media tracker. So let me see if I can find it in here. I probably should have marked them out, but I didn't. Let's see, here it is for 2019. So I keep track of my social media stats. I used to do it in a Word document on my computer, but I don't know, I just wasn't, I started doing it that way in 2018. But for me, it was just easier. I am a paper and pen girl. I don't often use my computer or iPad for planning and things like that. I love paper and pen stuff. And so I switched in 2019 to using it in here. And so I keep track of how many people follow me on Pinterest, how many YouTube subscribers I have, how many Instagram followers, Facebook. MailChimp is where I do my email newsletters, Etsy sales, Etsy favorites, Etsy reviews. And so it's been really neat to see the growth and just how much I grow each month. And so then in 2020, I have my tracker in here for business. Let's see where I have it. I thought I had it in here somewhere. So it's really neat to see the growth from January 2019 to now, and just see all of the new friends who are a part of the creative faith world, creative faith community. So idea number 2 is a social media tracker. All right, idea number 3 is an ideas folder. So this is an idea that I got from 17 magazine. 17 magazine had this idea of making a folder. And so I have used it in 2019 and in 2020. And it's really great because, I don't know, it's just like a folder, so it keeps everything categorized, but also keeps it private. So I have information about the different Creative Faith Connect design teams on here. And I do have a blog post here in 2020 of the links to all of my Creative Faith Connect team for their YouTube channels and things like that. And so I'll link that blog post in the description box below if you guys want to go follow them. They are such a creative group of women, and I am so blessed to have them on my team. So I have that, and then in 2019 I made a section for collaborations, and then I have a YouTube section and different kit ideas. And so in 2020 I changed it from collaborations to other, and then YouTube and kits. And so like here in 2019 I have a bunch of different ideas for YouTube videos. So kind of a neat way, like using stickers too. And so these are like different collaborations that I've done, and then different kit ideas. I don't want to share too much because these are different projects and stuff, but anyways, so it's a way to gather ideas and inspiration and keep them kind of private as well. So that is idea number 3, is an ideas folder, kind of a way to brainstorm, kind of a work brainstorm page. And so you could totally, you don't have to make these fancy little folders. You could totally just make like individual pages with team, other, YouTube, kits, but I just kind of like this to keep it a little bit more private. All right, idea number 4 is one that I use so much. It has really helped me on YouTube. So it is a YouTube video calendar. And so this was what I started in 2019. And so basically I put YouTube ideas on sticky notes. And I have FES, filmed, edited, scheduled. And so then I mark them off as I film them, and then when I edit them, and then when I have them scheduled. It's great because I change them around all the time. So I don't glue them down until they're actually posted. And so this has been just a really great idea. I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and it just helps keep me organized with YouTube, and I brainstorm ideas and then I'm able to organize them this way. So I really, really love this YouTube video calendar. And again, using sticky notes allows me to change them around all the time. I'm changing them around. And then I made another one here in my Clever Fox planner. And so again, I just have done the same thing for Tuesdays and Saturdays through 2020. And so like here you can see I haven't really glued them down yet. I haven't actually glued down July or August. I need to go back in and do them. But it has been a really great way to organize my YouTube videos. And again, I just use FES, filmed, edited, scheduled. So that is idea number 4. Idea number 5 is an Etsy restock list. So let me find it in here. So Friday, May 29th, I did an Etsy restock for the first time in 2020. I took kind of the first part of the year off a little bit because I was getting married and then it was the coronavirus and whatnot. So May 29th, I did a restock and launched some new things. And so I made a list of the item, the quantity, how much I had, how many I had, the price, and then other. So like whether it sold out, how many I had left, etc. And so this has been really important and it made it really easy for me. Again, I don't love using my computer for things like that because it's just easier for me to take my notebook over to my Tupperware tubs where I keep inventory and write it down. So idea number 5 is an Etsy restock list. And then I can show you guys, I think I did one again in here. So I had another restock in August and I wrote out item, total number, how many I posted because I always keep a few extra in case it gets lost in the mail or something like that, price, and then other. And then I did the same thing with Creative Faith stickers. I had a bunch of different sticker designs. I wanted to do some for giveaways. I used some on notebooks, and again, I just kept a few extras. So I really like using my bullet journal to track inventory for restocks. All right, and idea number 6 for you all is an Amazon order tracker. And it doesn't necessarily have to be Amazon. It can be any order tracker. So I put online order tracker, and so I have the date, the store, the item, the expected delivery, and did I get it. So I use this for Creative Faith and for personal items. So like I ordered some stickers from Sticker Mule, and they're expected to be delivered June 8th. I also bought a book called Be the Bridge from Books A Million. It did eventually come, but man, it took a really long time to get here. And then Juan and I had a Bed Bath & Beyond gift card from our wedding, and so we ordered a bath mat. And so this is a great way to track if you buy things on Amazon or are ordering inventory for your shop. This is a great way to keep track, of what you order and when it arrives. So that is idea number 6. So to review, idea number 1 was an expense tracker. Idea number 2 was a social media tracker. Idea number 3 is an ideas folder, kind of a business brain dump. Idea number 4 is a YouTube video calendar. Idea number 5 is an Etsy restock list, inventory list. And idea number 6 is an online order tracker. So I hope this gave you guys some neat ideas about how to use your bullet journal for business purposes. You can also transfer any of these ideas over to other planners as well. If you use a Happy Planner or a Passion Planner or whatever planner you use, you can transfer these ideas over to there as well. So thank you guys for watching. I do have a whole bullet journal playlist here on YouTube that I'll link in the description box below, and I hope these ideas were helpful for you guys. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith videos. And let me know in the comments down below too. Do you guys have a business? Do you use your bullet journal or planner for business ideas, business spreads? Let me know if there's any that you think I should add to my planning system as I work on Creative Faith projects. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! I totally forgot to mention that as you are thinking about setting up a business planner for 2021, be sure to check out these vinyl stickers from my Etsy shop. They say 2021 and they have these black and white flowers that I drew on the background, and they would look super cute on the covers of your business planner or bullet journal for the new year. So I will link these in the description box below. Be sure to check them out. I appreciate so much your support for Creative Faith products, and all my vinyl stickers always have free shipping. So head down below and grab one. Bye!